Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's the afternoon, October 28th, 2022. I'm over here in the eastern garden plot. We did have a hard freeze last night, and recently we've been working with our thornless blackberry plants. Recently we probably posted a video showing transplanting the thornless blackberry plants into the western garden plot. And through the process of weeding and pruning the thornless blackberry plants, there are lots of this year's shoots that started to come up. And my thought is that I want to see, can I get these things to root? So we have harsh winters here. I don't know that this would be successful, but I'll show you what we're looking at. So all of these sticks here are all new growth this season that came up to the ground. Let me just see if I can pull one or two up here. So here's an example. They're not all like this, but you could see some buds potentially on here. No root development on here, but I'll prune back the tops of these and see if I stick these into the soil of this bed right over here. So this is one of our handicap beds. We usually grow strawberries in this. In these, we had a whole variety of different plants, red onions, some extra tomatoes and all that this season because our strawberry patch didn't do that well, and I still have to transplant all of those. But my thought process is, in order to see, can we root these and propagate these from these torn off new this year's growth from the root mass that was fragile and all, stick them in the soil. I'm going to weed this handicap bed here quick, pop them in under the soil, and it's not too much wasted time if it isn't successful. So we'll give that a shot and see how it works. This is the bed we'll be putting them in. Okay. Okay, well, it appears that we got all of these, I'm going to call them hardwood cuttings, because there are a couple that aren't as mature that I know won't make it, but I stuck them in anyways just to see how things work out. Some of them have a few little root hairs. There were several that did have some root that we'll bring over to the work area and pot those ones up. But this is an experiment. Have no idea if it's going to work. I think there's a reasonable chance, so we'll take and learn from this experiment. So here we are in this one handicap bed. They're, maybe 10 inches apart or so, a foot apart. prune off as much stuff as possible. And they're right next. Uh-oh, I didn't get one in here. I got to get one more in. Did good to walk right down here. Okay, so that's about it. I'll get this one in, get this little tiny onions that I found over there as well in, and we'll call it a day. Hopefully we'll make sure to give you an update next spring and see did any of these take and develop into some decent rooted bare root plants. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Have a super fantastic day. Stay safe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Take care now. Bye-bye.